be the best place for me at this time. If I went to Israel, I don't think Israel would be the best place for me to be at this time, considering the view that most Jews have of Louis Farrakhan.
You go to Nigeria, which is, if not the most corrupt nation in Africa, and it is, it could be the most corrupt nation in the world, Minister Farrakhan.
Oh, now, Mr. Wallace.
It is the most corrupt nation that I have ever covered. I've been there 25 years ago, and I've been there as recently as last year.
Fine. So what? 35 years old. That's what that nation is. Now, here's America, 226 years old. You love democracy, but there in Africa, you're trying to force these people into a system of government that you just have accepted. 30 years ago, black folk got the right to vote. You're not in any moral position to tell anybody how corrupt they are. You should be quiet.
Nubia, no atolo. Nubia, Anobia. That one na the rightful pronunciation. Nubia na the modern pronunciation. Anobia. Short name be Nubia, Anobia, ANUBIAFRA means the center name of the sun god Ano, Set, Sutek. Heavier pronunciation Seti, Seta, Suteki, Suka, Okanem, Okamen, Ora, Ta, Now, Set, Osiri, Oriozu, Di, Grata, Grano, Sono, Ora, Ta, Okamen, Bu, Okaneme,